Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete older emails in Gmail. So you can find your older email and you can easily delete from Gmail. So guys, I show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. So I am here. I am on my Gmail. So this is my new account and demo account. So I don't have much older emails here. So I will show you how you can find out older email and delete. So come to the search bar and type here older colon sorry underscore then colon. You have to type here the period means if you want to find older than 1 year, so just click 1 and type y. Okay, so you will see all email older than 1 year, but I don't have any email older than 1 year, so I don't have. So I just type 1 month. Okay, so you can see older than 1 month email I have 150 emails here. And I also find out older than day also, like 30 days. You can see all 30 days email has been come here. So now you can select it all, or you can select all conversion that match this search. So I have select all here, and you can delete from here. After delete, you have to go in trash folder and you will see all deleted emails here. If you want to delete permanently, just select all and delete forever. Okay, just click on delete forever. So here you can use a filter also to find older email, so date within 1 day or 1 year. Okay, just you can find. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.